Chicken is added to onion seeds and curry leaves, enhanced with spices and semi-cooked. Tomato is then added together with a wonderful blend of fried onion, ginger and garlic paste, spices and yogurt. Everything is mixed together with the chicken and this is allowed to slow cook. Kravings Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today we're going to be making chicken masala. This is a really simple recipe. In fact, the marinade that I'm going to be using is something I've used earlier in a lamb raan recipe and it works really well here as well. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 2.5 cups of yogurt. I'm going to be adding salt, 1 cup of fried onions, I have some ginger and garlic paste that I just ground and I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of this to the mix. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of garam masala. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix this really well together. I'm going to add some oil to my kadai and I'm going to get it nice and hot. I'm going to add 2 cups of sliced onion, 1 teaspoon of onion seeds. This is called Kalonji in Hindi. As well as a half cup of curry leaves and a 1/4 cup of green chilies. Saute this for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add in 2 pounds of bone-in chicken. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder as well as a half teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. Give this a good mix so the chicken is coated in the spices. I'm going to add half a cup of sliced tomatoes and the yogurt mixture that I prepared earlier. I'm also going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to cook this covered for about 20 minutes, stirring in between. Taste for salt and add salt as required. This is ready to eat. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chicken masala. It's a very unique and a very rich gravy and you can serve this at celebrations and everyone's going to love it. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and don't forget to share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.